This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the basics: charge level and a snug fit so sensors work. Once done, open the workout app and tap the activity you plan to do. Choosing the right type matters because metrics change. Next, set a clear goal: time, distance, calories, or choose open-ended if you'll improvise. Make sure to tap start and wait for the GPS or heart rate lock if needed, because an accurate initial lock yields better pace and calorie tracking throughout your session. Once underway, glance at live metrics: heart rate, pace, distance, and lap splits. You'll want to raise your wrist or swipe to cycle screens so you see the most relevant data in real time. Use the digital crown or tap to change views and press the screen to mark laps manually. This helps segment intervals. Make sure auto pause is enabled for stop-and-go sessions, and keep audio cues or haptics active so you receive hands-free feedback without checking the display constantly. To finish, swipe right and tap end, then confirm to save. You'll immediately see a summary of calories, time, and average heart rate. Once synced to your iPhone, inspect splits, elevation, and training effect in the fitness app for deeper insights. If numbers seem off, make sure the watch is snug, clean the back sensors, toggle wrist detection, and verify GPS is enabled. If problems persist, restart the watch and retry. This fixes most temporary sensor or connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.